The YIHUA 982D-III Soldering Station stands out with its dual-handpiece design, allowing users to operate a soldering iron and hot tweezers simultaneously, perfect for multitasking in precision soldering tasks. Its adaptive display mode optimizes the screen space for the active tool, ensuring users always have the most relevant information clearly visible during their soldering projects. With automatic calibration, the station adjusts the soldering iron tip's temperature seamlessly when changing tips, guaranteeing consistent temperature control without needing external tools. The soldering iron heats up extremely fast, reaching the desired temperature in just 2 seconds, and offers a wide adjustable temperature range from 90 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius. The tiltable display design enhances user comfort by allowing easy monitoring from various angles, making it suitable for professional environments with multiple equipment setups. An intuitive control system with built-in temperature adjustment buttons and customizable presets enhances efficiency, catering to a variety of soldering tasks with ease.